Good afternoon. My name is Alicia Lape. I'm a project manager with Boyle Construction Management, and we are the general contractor for the Brightwood Library project. Today, we are working on enclosing the exterior portion of the building. The brick masons have been on site and are working on the west elevation to enclose that side of the building. Inside, we have been continuing on interior framing, working to erect the study rooms and vending machine areas. Painters have been on site working to get the exposed structural steel up high, primed and painted before storefront glass and other finishes arrive. Plumbers are working to install piping overhead. Again, while it's wide open and no obstacles, now is the time to have them on site. And finally, the site subcontractor is here today grading out all of the dirt areas as we're preparing to start landscaping next week. We've enjoyed the complexity of the project, from the steel erection to all of the other finishes. There are multiple angles and elevations that have been very interesting to see how it all comes together from ground up to where we are now.